Yo, what's going on, guys? Crypto Journey here, back with another TAO video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, guys. This thing's absolutely pumping. Let's talk about it, guys. If you enjoy the video, make sure to smash the like button. I appreciate the support. Let's get straight into it. Look at this, man. Daily looking absolutely insane. We have now restarted this upward trend here, just consistently. Doesn't matter what Bitcoin's doing. Doesn't matter what other cryptos are doing, what the stock market's doing. This run is absolutely insane, guys. Look at this. If you look at the fib retracement from the bottom, we're not even hitting the 382. That's insane. Like, that's not usually what happens from this first retracement here. We're not even hitting the 382. And if you look at this next one here, if you take the 680, although I think we're gonna break straight through that in the next day or so, we're not even hitting the 382 either. So what's happening here is this coin, massive supply and demand imbalance happening, a lot of accumulation happening. And this is the thing about it. This thing about TAO is that in times of no crypto hype. So for example, if we go to a different chart here, let's go like Mexi. Mexi had it for a while. In this entire downtrend here, what was happening is that miners are consistently selling day after day after day, but there's no one buying on the market. And so there's no hype, right? Because at the end of the day, the only people that need to really be buying TAO are people that are registering subnets or people that are actually buying to make money or to invest. That's it. So what that means is that we're currently in like phase one of Bittensor, which is supply shock, right? There's a lot of supply. You look at TAO stats. Let's see where it would be, but you look at the tokenomics right here. Like, a lot of supply creation is happening right now. We're really in this sort of X equals Y trajectory. Once you start, after that first halving, that's when that accumulation zone, and so we'll start like flipping this chart, right? It'll turn the opposite. We'll be like the higher highs consistently. And so I understand that here we did make like pretty much a support at $200, which is really, really good to see. But it's a time game, guys. Don't get too excited, but also don't panic if the market does retrace here. I'm just saying this. I said the exact same thing right here. That's where I took profits and I bought back in the entire downtrend. That being said, I think we hit 1K this time. I think we go above 1K. I think the crypto market is ready for a run, and TAO has been pumping by itself, and this thing's gonna keep going. But keep that in mind, guys. We are early, so these early time in the TAO time frame, circulating supply is less than half of its total supply, 36%. That's very, very low. If you look at Bitcoin, this far into its existence, you'd be looking at a very, very cheap Bitcoin. It wasn't even close to $1,000, right? So 652, really good price. I think we're reaching a supply-demand homeostasis. I think we'll see what happens, but this thing sure does like to run. In terms of TA, guys, if you want to keep an eye out for any indicators, I would highly recommend looking at the Bollinger Bands. More specifically, I would highly recommend looking at, we can do 3 is fine. I don't know why they're not showing on this chart. Let me remove these. Let me add them again. Bollinger Bands. Oh, I can't upgrade. What is this? What is this trash, man? It's free trading view. There we go. So what is this looking at? Let's look at 3 standard deviation. 30 is fine. So on the hourly, keep an eye on this, guys. On the hourly, as you can see, so if we're currently looking at, what was this? 3 standard deviations, like 99.7% chance of price being within this range. As you can see right here, right, we almost wicked up to it and got rejected. Wicked up, got rejected. Wicked down, got found support. So keep that in mind, right? So, like, for example, if over the next few hours we keep wicking down and this lower Bollinger Band ends up being around like $600, it'll probably bounce off of that. I'm bullish though. I think, as I said before, miners aren't selling right now in large amounts, right? Because the miners are also a little bit emotional, right? They might make get a lot of emissions, But at the end of the day, if price is pumping, they're going to have some speculative desire to hold. It's when the price is dumping that they'll start selling more than they actually sell consistently. So they're going to sell whatever they need to cover operating expenses, whatever those may be, if they're renting compute power, etc. But then they're at least for some that have a lot of rewards, right? They'll sell that every single day if the price action is not doing too well, because everyone's pretty emotional. People don't like to take profits, right? But I'm hyper bullish, guys. Never been more bullish on TAO. There's a reason why I'm making these videos. Like, I think this thing just rockets to $1,000. In terms of staking, guys, make sure you're staking your TAO. Not staking your TAO is very, very dumb. You're just missing out the massive opportunity cost. When you stake, okay, so you can get the I don't have it right here, but actually I do have it right here, the Bittensor wallet. I'm not logged into a wallet though, but you can get this wallet, import your key, and then you can delegate, or you can stake you can delegate to a validator. Choose a validator that has high APY, right? So you can see the fees here that they take. I'm sticking with Owl Venture. Doesn't matter who it is. Like, people talk about weight copying and shit, how it's not helping the network. It doesn't really matter in the day. If you want to be that like noble person and miss out opportunity cost, or have a high opportunity cost just for that good karma, be my guest. I'm not doing that. I used to be Deterra until they stopped. You can see there's a 2% difference here. So I'm Owl Ventures. It's a big difference. Like, for example, if you went for the Bittensor Foundation, if you have 100 TAO, for example, over a week, you're missing out on $230 of TAO. That's like 1/3 of a TAO. That's more than 1/3 of a TAO. So not worth the opportunity cost, in my opinion. Make sure to be using a staking with a validator that has good APY. Like over a month, you're like missing out on $238. Like, that's crazy. That's a month, $238. That's insane. Like, over a year, that's like, over $3,000. That's like 2-point-something grand. That's crazy. Just because you want to, like, and the thing is, a lot of people are like that. Obviously, a lot of the Bittensor network, Bittensor Foundation, the Open Tensor Foundation, a lot of this stake, let me see here, is the foundation itself. So a lot of these bags are most definitely like the actual people working the foundation. But anyways, point is, keep this in mind. Use this. Foundry, Grayscale, same BS. These guys are absolute money fiends. So they'll do whatever it takes. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button. I'll be back. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button. See you guys in the next video. Until then, as usual, peace.